will study the first 10 straight chain alkanes. If straight chains of alkanes are given, then how can we write their names? So we will study the first 10 alkanes. Now we will see how many number of carbon atoms are there in the chain. If there is one carbon atom in the chain, if we have just one carbon atom, right, then name is started with meth. Name of organic compound is started with meth. Meth for just one carbon. Now if there are two carbon atoms, then name is started with eth. Eth. Similarly, if there are three carbon atoms in the chain, then its name is started with prop. Prop shows there are three carbon atoms. Likewise, if there are four carbon atoms in the chain, then its name is started with but. Right, students? Now we will see if number of carbon atoms are 5. If we have 5 carbon atoms in the chain, then its name is started with pent. Penta means 5. If there are 6 carbon atoms in the chain, then its name is started with hex. Hex. Hexa means 6. If there are 7 carbon atoms in the chain, then its name is started with hept. If there are 8 carbon atoms in the chain, then its name is started with ort. Similarly, for 9 carbon atoms, name is started with non. And if there are 10 carbon atoms in the chain, then its name is started with dec. Deca means 10. I hope this is clear to you, students. Methane. So we can write its structural formula. We write carbon. We write carbon, students. We know very well carbon is tetravalent, so we make its 4 covalent bond. 1, 2, 3, 4. All the 4 valencies of carbon are filled by hydrogen. Like this. This is the structural formula for methane. This formula shows that there are 4 hydrogen atoms in a molecule of methane, and each hydrogen atom form a single covalent bond with carbon atom. Similarly, if an alkane molecule consists of 2 carbon atoms, that is ethane, then how can we write its structural formula? Eth shows there are 2 carbon atoms. So we write 2 carbon atoms. Both carbon atoms form single covalent bond with each other, right? And each carbon atom must be tetravalent. यानी हर कार्बन की वैलेंसी क्या होगी? 4. We will make 4 covalent bond for this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Likewise for this carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fill these valencies with hydrogen atoms. कार्बन की इन वैकेंट वैकेंसीज को हम हाइड्रोजन एटम से फिल कर देंगे, क्योंकि हम किसको डिस्कस कर रहे हैं? सिंपलेस्ट हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, दैट इज अल्केन्स. ठीक है. एंड अल्केन्स आर द हाइड्रोकार्बन्स ऑफ hydrocarbons which are made up of only 2 elements, that is carbon and hydrogen. These are the compounds which are made up of only 2 elements, that is carbon and hydrogen. That's why they are known as hydrocarbons. ठीक है. How many carbon atoms are there? 2. So that's why it is ethane. Ethane. This is the structural formula for ethane. Similarly, alkane, which is made up of 3 carbon atom, that is propane. If we are asked to write the structural formula for propane, then how can we write its structural formula? We will make 3 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3. 3 carbon atoms linked up with the help of single covalent bond. We write the make each carbon tetravalent. ठीक है. हर कार्बन की वैलेंसी क्या होनी चाहिए? 4. Now fill these vacant vacancies with the help of hydrogen. 1, 2, 3 hydrogen for this carbon, 1, 2 hydrogen for this carbon, 1, 2, 3. 3 hydrogen for this carbon. Since there are 3 carbon, right? So that's why its name is started with prop. Prop shows there are 3 carbon atoms. All the 3 carbon atoms are connected with the help of single covalent bond. So we use ane as a suffix, propane. Students, these structural formulas describe the arrangement of carbon and hydrogen atoms in their molecules. I hope structural formula is clear to you. In condensed formula, we write the main chain carbon atoms as well as hydrogen atoms which are attached to carbon atoms in a sequence. Now students, we will understand the concept of condensed formula with the help of some examples. For example, if we have a structural formula like with the carbon, 3 hydrogen atoms are attached here. This is the structural formula, right? With the carbon, 3 hydrogen atoms are attached and 1 vacancy of carbon is vacant. Now, how can we write its condensed formula? We write the carbon, right students? How many hydrogen atoms are attached with this carbon? Count the number of hydrogen atoms. 1, 2, 3. Yes, there are 3 hydrogen atoms. So we write H, and how many hydrogen atoms are attached? 3. Simply we write CH3. Since 1 vacancy of carbon is vacant, so we make 1 covalent bond here, right? So what is the condensed formula for this structure? Its condensed formula is a CH3, a CH3 group. A CH3 group is known as methyl. It is a methyl group or methyl radical. Right students, let's see one more example. If we have this structure with carbon, 2 hydrogen atoms are attached and 2 vacancies of carbon are vacant. Right students, if we write its condensed structure, then we write here carbon, right students, and how many hydrogen atoms are attached with this carbon? Obviously there are 2 hydrogen atoms, so we write hydrogen and here we write the number 2, H2, since there are 2 hydrogen atoms which are attached with this carbon. 2 of the vacancy of this carbon are vacant, so we write like these 2 covalent bonds. A CH2 group, this group is known as methylene group. What is the name of this group, students? Methylene group. It is a methylene group. Similarly, we will see one more example to understand the concept. Now, for example, here we have a structural formula for a molecule with the carbon. Here we have 3 hydrogen atoms, 1, 2, 3. Right students, and this carbon is connected with another carbon with which 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स आर अटैच, यानी ये कार्बन मजीद एक और कार्बन से कनेक्टेड है जिसके साथ 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम अटैच हैं. ये वाला कार्बन मजीद एक और कार्बन से कनेक्टेड है विद विच 3 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स आर अटैच्ड. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला. नाउ इफ यू वांट टू राइट इट्स कंडेंस फार्मूला, अगर हम इसका कंडेंस फार्मूला लिखना चाहें, then how can we write its condensed formula? See this carbon, how many hydrogen atoms are attached with this carbon? With this carbon, 1, 2, 3. So we write here CH3. ठीक है, this is carbon number 1, carbon number 2, carbon number 3. With carbon number 1, 3 hydrogen atoms are attached, so we write here CH3. Then this carbon is connected with the second carbon. With second carbon, how many hydrogen atoms are attached? 1, 2, right? So we write here H2, CH2, which shows with the second carbon 2 hydrogen atoms are attached. Then we make third carbon, second carbon is connected with third carbon. With third carbon, how many hydrogen atoms are attached? 1, 2, 3. With third carbon, 3 hydrogen atoms are attached. So we write here CH3. So the given structure, what is the condensed formula for this structure? CH3. With the first carbon, just we have 3 hydrogen atom, so we write here CH3. With the second carbon, 2 hydrogen atoms are attached, so we write CH2. With the third carbon, how many hydrogen atoms are attached? 3 hydrogen atoms, so we write CH3. I hope this is clear to you, students. Now students, we will do one question to understand this concept. For example, we are asked to write the molecular formula, the structural formula and the condensed formula for pentane. Question is given, that is pentane. Right students, for pentane we are asked to write its molecular formula. Molecular formula. So first of all, we will write the molecular formula for pentane. Dear students, we know pentane, it is a member of alkane family, right? Pentane, it is a member of alkane family. Penta shows there are 5 carbon atoms, right? 5 carbon atoms. We know very well what is the general formula for alkanes. For alkanes, the general formula is, general formula for alkane, it is CnH2n plus 2. Now to write the molecular formula, we will use its general formula. We will write the general formula for alkane, that is CnH2n plus 2. Since the molecule is pentane, penta means 5, it means N is equal to 5. Now we put the value of N in this general formula. It means when C is equal to 5, then H would be 2 multiplied by 5 plus 2. That is C5 H12. 2 5 the 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. So what is the molecular formula for pentane? The molecular formula for pentane is C5H12. The molecular formula is molecular formula of pentane. Molecular formula of pentane is C5H12. I hope you understand how can we find the molecular formula for pentane. Now students, we will see how can we write the structural formula for pentane. Since we have a molecule pentane, right students, penta shows how many carbon? 5. So we make the skeleton of 5 carbon atoms, right? We write the 5 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms. Penta shows there are 5 carbon atoms. Ane shows all 5 carbon atoms are connected with the help of single covalent bond. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, तो फिर हमने क्या किया? We made the skeleton of 5 carbons which are connected with the help of single covalent bond. Now make each carbon tetravalent, यानी हर कार्बन की वैलेंसी क्या होनी चाहिए? 4. So we make 4 कोवलेंट बॉन्ड. हर कार्बन के साथ 4 कोवलेंट बॉन्ड बनाने हैं हमने, ठीक है? हर कार्बन को टेट्रावेलेंट बनाना है. नाउ फिल द वैकेंट वैकेंसीज ऑफ कार्बन विद द हेल्प ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, सिंस इट इज अल्केन, ठीक है? एंड अल्केन्स आर हाइड्रोकार्बन, क्योंकि पेंटेन क्या है? पेंटेन अल्केन है, और अल्केन्स क्या होते हैं? हाइड्रोकार्बन्स, यानी ये ऐसे ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड्स हैं विच आर मेड अप ऑफ ओनली कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन. सो वी फिल द वैकेंट वैकेंसीज विद हाइड्रोजन. We write hydrogen here. With first carbon we have 3 hydrogen. With second carbon we have 2 hydrogen. Similarly with third carbon we have 2 hydrogen. With fourth carbon we have 2 hydrogen. And with fifth carbon we have 3 hydrogen. So this is the structural formula for pentane. Now students, after writing the structural formula, we will write the condensed structure formula for pentane. Condensed structural formula for pentane. Here we do the numbering. ठीक है, हम इसकी नंबरिंग कर लेते हैं ताकि हम इसका कंडेंस स्ट्रक्चर लिखने में हमें आसानी हो. 1 2 3 4, 5. Now with first carbon, how many hydrogen atoms are attached? Count the number of hydrogen atoms which are attached with the first carbon. With the first carbon, how many hydrogen atoms are attached? 1, 2, 3. With the first carbon, we have 3 hydrogen atoms, right? So we write here its structure, structural formula, condensed structural formula, that is CH3. Now with the second carbon, how many hydrogen atoms are attached? Yes, there are 2 hydrogen atoms, so we write CH2. With the third carbon, yes, good, 2 hydrogen atoms are attached, we write 2 hydrogen with third carbon. With fourth carbon, how many hydrogen atoms are attached? Yes, there are 2 hydrogen atoms, so we write here CH2. And with the fifth carbon, it is we have seen how many hydrogen atoms are attached. Yes, 3 hydrogen atoms, so we write here CH3. Right, students, we do the numbering to understand. That is, this is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now students, this is the condensed structural formula. Condensed structural formula. Right, students, I hope it is clear to you, students. We will see some more examples to understand the concept. Right, here the question which is given to us is, write the molecular formula, structural formula and condensed structural formula for the first molecule which is given is butane. Here butane is given, right students, and we are asked to write its molecular formula, structural formula as well as condensed formula. So butane is an alkane, right students. So in order to find its molecular formula, we use the general formula for alkane. हम इसका molecular formula find करने के लिए alkane का general formula use करेंगे. तो the general formula for alkanes, their general formula is CnH2n plus 2. Buta shows how many carbon atoms are there. Yes, but means 4, right students. So if n is equal to 4, here n is equal to 4. So write the value of n in this equation. We have C4H 2 multiplied by 4 plus 2. It would be C4, 2 for the 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. C4H10. So what is the molecular formula for butane? The molecular formula for butane is C4H10. Now students, we will write its structural formula. We write the structural formula for butane. But shows total carbon atoms are 4, right? And ane shows all the 4 carbon atoms are connected with the help of single covalent bond. So we write the structure, we write the skeleton for butane. We made 4 carbon atoms, 1, 2, 3, 4. We made 4 carbon atoms, right students? And we do the numbering of these 4 carbon atoms and make each carbon atom tetravalent. हर कार्बन को हमने टेट्रावेलेंट बनाना है, यानी हर कार्बन के की वैलेंसी क्या होनी चाहिए? 4. ठीक है, हर कार्बन को हमने टेट्रावेलेंट बना दिया. हम किसी भी तरह से कार्बन की नंबरिंग कर देते हैं. ठीक है, वी राइट हियर 1, 2, 3, 4. अब स्टूडेंट्स, हम हर कार्बन के साथ हाइड्रोजन अटैच कर देंगे बिकॉज ब्यूटेन इज एन अल्केन. ठीक है, एंड वी नो अल्केन्स आर द कंपाउंड्स ऑफ कार्बन एंड हाइड्रोजन. अल्केन्स जो है वो हाइड्रोकार्बन्स हैं. सो कार्बन के अलावा जो दूसरा एलिमेंट है कंपाउंड के अंदर वो है हाइड्रोजन. सो वी राइट हियर हाइड्रोजन विद, वी फिल द वैकेंट वैकेंसीज ऑफ कार्बन विद हाइड्रोजन. हमने कार्बन की वैकेंट वैकेंसीज को किससे फिल कर दिया? हाइड्रोजन से. सो दिस इज द स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला फॉर ब्यूटेन. राइट स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ वी विल राइट इट्स कंडेंस फार्मूला. अब हमने इसका कंडेंस फार्मूला लिखना है. ठीक है, तो हम देखते हैं कि हाउ मेनी कार्बन एटम्स, हाउ मेनी हाइड्रोजन एटम्स आर अटैच्ड विद फर्स्ट कार्बन. हियर दिस इज फर्स्ट कार्बन. विद फर्स्ट कार्बन वी हैव 3 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स. विद सेकंड कार्बन वी हैव 2 हाइड्रोजन एटम्स. With third carbon we have 2 hydrogen atoms, and with fourth carbon we have 3 hydrogen atoms. Right students, now we will write its condensed formula. We made the first carbon. Here With first carbon, how many hydrogen atoms are attached? 3. We made 3 hydrogen atoms with first carbon. With second carbon, we have 2 hydrogen atoms. With third carbon, again we have 2 hydrogen atoms. But with fourth carbon, we have 3 hydrogen atoms. Right, students? Now we do the numbering, right? That is carbon number 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the condensed formula for butane. Students, we have learned how to write molecular formula, structural formula as well as condensed formula for butane. We are asked to write the molecular formula, structural formula and condensed formula for hexane. Molecule which is given is hexane. We have हेक्सेन. ठीक है, हेक्सेन मॉलिक्यूल हमें दिया हुआ है और हमसे कहा गया है कि हम इसका कंडेंस फार्मूला, स्ट्रक्चरल फार्मूला और मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला लिखें. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी विल फाइंड द मॉलिक्यूलर फार्मूला फॉर हेक्सेन. As usual, we use the general formula for alkane to write its molecular formula. Alkane का general formula है CnH2n plus 2. Hex shows how many carbon atoms? Hexa means 6, right? So what is the value of n? N is equal to 6. Now put the value of n in the given general formula. That will be C6H2 multiplied by 6 plus 2. So we get C6, 2 6 the 14 plus 2 is equal to 2 6 the 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. So we get C6H14. C6H14, it is the molecular formula for hexane. Right students? Now students, we will learn how to write its structural formula. अब हम इसका structural formula लिखेंगे. Now students, for the structural formula, here we can notice hex shows total carbon atoms are 6 and ane shows all the 6 carbon atoms are connected with the help of single covalent bond, right? So we made the skeleton of 6 carbon atoms connected with the help of single covalent bond, right students? Now we'll write 6 carbon atoms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We made 6 carbon atoms, right students? And we make each carbon tetravalent. हर कार्बन को हमने tetravalent बनाना है, ठीक है? यानी हर कार्बन की वैलेंसी क्या होनी चाहिए? 4. Now fill the vacant vacancies of carbon with hydrogen because alkanes are hydrocarbons. यानी alkane hydrocarbons हैं, वो सिर्फ और सिर्फ कार्बन और हाइड्रोजन से मिलकर बनते हैं, right students? So we write the structural formula for hexane. Dear students, this is the structural formula for hexane. With the help of structural formula, we will write the condensed formula for hexane. अब हम इसका condensed formula लिखेंगे. तो अब आपको लिखना आ गया, पहले कार्बन के साथ कितने हाइड्रोजन है? Yes, we have 3 hydrogen, so we write CH3. Then CH2. We write here CH2, CH2, CH2 and CH3. ठीक है स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे आप नंबरिंग हम कर सकते हैं 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right students? And here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and here, yes, one hydrogen is less here, one carbon is less here, so we make one more carbon, right students? We have CH2 and then we have CH3. This is carbon number 6. ठीक है, टू मिस्टेक को अवॉइड करने के लिए हम इसीलिए नंबरिंग करते हैं ताकि हम बिल्कुल करेक्ट नंबर ऑफ कार्बन एटम्स बना सकें. सो दिस इज द structural formula for hexane, right students, which show the arrangement of carbon and hydrogen atoms, and this is the condensed structural formula for hexane. I hope this is clear to you students.